Hello, folks. As we know, Microsoft is rebuilding its Edge browser on Chromium. Both Microsoft and Google engineers have been working together to improve the underlying Chromium project so that Chrome and Edge browsers run better on Windows. Microsoft has been testing versions of their all new Chromium-powered Edge browser internally and is about to release it publicly soon. The beta version is already available currently on their website. So, if you are a test engineer and are looking at beginning to test on this all new browser, Sahi Pro brings a relief to you with an automatic support for the Microsoft's Chromium Edge browser. As you know, Sahi Pro already supports web automation in all browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, etc. So, to work with Chromium Edge browser, all you need to do is make the configurations in the Sahi browser type setting. Open Sahi dashboard, go to Configure, go to browsertypes.xml. Here, add this snippet for MS Chromium Edge, giving the path of the browser.exe, which should be installed on your system, and some other settings. I will add the snippet in the description below for you to copy and paste in the browsertypes.xml to make it super easy. Now, just restart Sahi and that's it. You will now see the Chromium Edge button here on the Sahi Pro dashboard. Click it to launch the browser, just like any other browser window. From here on, you can go ahead and perform all the normal Sahi scripting operations like launch Sahi controller, begin recording, perform actions on the website, control and hover on any element to identify it, stop recording and just play back the script. You will see that all elements and screens are easily identified and the script runs normally on the browser. You can also run scripts parallelly with multiple instances of this browser. So, Sahi supports the all-new Microsoft Chromium Edge browser without any special changes. Please contact support@sahipro.com for any questions. Thanks for watching.